My friends, this is Ian over at BuildABizOnline with another tutorial video, and this one is on the blog. A lot of people like these blogs, and we used to let our pro executives have a WordPress blog, but they were eating up the resources on our server. So I built something simpler and less aggressive on the server. So here we have our blog settings. So let me just go here, and I'll close down the rest of these pages just here, and then you can see me set it up. Now, let's just let me just go to, say, I don't know, this one. Okay, so you can see here's one of the blog posts that I've done, and it's quite simple. There's nothing difficult about it at all. Okay, and you have full charge. Now, you see this image just here, a button banner. You can change that whenever you wish. So that's the one on there, and all you've got to do is put a new image URL in there and the affiliate link just there. Now, what you can do over at BuildABizOnline Blog Builder is you can change the theme color. So that will be the header. Okay, and you can have black, red, oranges, and yellows. But I like blue. So I'm going to stick to the BuildABizOnline blue there. All I did then, simply, all you need to do next is to add a post title, a short excerpt, something like, I don't know, 20 words long. And then if you want, you can add a featured image. And what you do to, you have that built, and then you can come over here, click on there, and there's one that I created earlier. So upload that, and that would go in the featured image section. So this is a featured image, and it appears just below your title. Next, what you would do is fill in the information that you want to teach people. It can be anything. You could be teaching them a course on whatever, health products, anything that you want. And the idea behind it, you need to speak with authority. And that's the idea behind authority blogs. So earlier, I created one on this very subject. So let me just go there and we'll click on that one. And there we have it. So there was the featured image that I uploaded. That was the title that I used. And then a few short words about it. There's around about 500 words there. And each time you add a blog, it will appear down this side. So why is a blog useful? Why an autoresponder is important? And welcome to my blog. So this was the very first one that I built. Now these buttons can't be changed, but they're bringing back people to you, to your BuildABizOnline. So in every blog, your name will be here, your logo, whatever you use, whether it's a logo or an image over at BuildABizOnline, so that will be dragged into here. This will remain, and then these three will remain. So this will take people back to your BuildABizOnline homepage, your programs page, and your banner page. So there we have it. That is as simple as it gets when it comes to blog building. And I can tell you that WordPress is far more difficult than this. So I'd like to thank you for listening, and hope you enjoyed this new tool. Bye for now.